In this video, let me show you how to sign up and create a BET365 account. First, head to the App Store or Play Store and download the BET365 app. Once installed, open the app and allow location access by tapping Continue. And then while using the app, when the home page loads, tap the Login button, then select Join in the left corner. You'll be taken to a sign-up form. Fill in your country, email, phone number, and personal data. Make sure everything matches your ID. Next, enter your address and choose a username and password. You can also set deposit limits and enter a bonus code if you have one. Agree to the terms and tap Join Bet365. You'll receive a code via SMS. Enter it to verify your account. If you're using an Android device, make sure developer mode is turned off. Finally, verify your identity by submitting ID or proof of address. Once approved, your Bet365 account will be fully set up and ready to use. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.